This works for anyone from anywhere in the globe, and it's one of the simplest methods to make money online because no selling, affiliate marketing, or social network followers are required. And also, no prior experience is required. You only need to copy and paste some text. And if you stick around until the next video, I'll teach you how to get a lot more money because I'll show you 3 other websites where you can get paid. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. Now let's get back to the video. Let's start right here so I can show you how to use Google to get paid again and again. And all of this will take less than 30 minutes. If PayPal isn't available in your country or you don't want to use PayPal, I'll show you how to select other payment options as well. Anyway, let's start with step 1, which is to go to google.com. Step 2 is to search for global news. When you search for global news, I recommend going to the first official website, news.google.com, which is a place where you can find the latest news and articles on a variety of topics from around the world, much like a newspaper. You can find news about politics, business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, health history, and anything else you can think of. How will this work now? How will you obtain your free PayPal money? Well, stay tuned and you'll see exactly how this works. So here on the left-hand side, you have all the categories you have on the world news, which is about what's going on in the world right now. You have your own local news, which we will ignore because you simply want to concentrate on business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and most importantly, health. You can see that if I select the health category, it will give me all of the latest news and all of the latest articles related to health. So let's scroll and let's find something interesting on here. So I'm interested in this article that was just recently uploaded, and it's a really good article that a lot of people would click on. So all you have to do is open up one article and don't worry about it. You will not have to sell anything. This has nothing to do with affiliate marketing and CPA marketing or whatsoever. All you have to do now is open that article and begin copying content from it. For example, I'll copy this right here and move on to step 3. The third tab site that we'll be using is spinbot.com. Here, you will need to paste the article that you saw on Google News. It will then be rewritten for you so that you can have the entire article in your own words, making it completely unique. You'll be using those articles on 3 more websites, which I'll share with you. Those websites will pay you for those articles, and some of them will pay you $1 per word. As you can see, those articles can have thousands of words. Once you've found the article, copy and paste the text into this box, scroll down a little, then click I am not a robot, and you'll be good to go. Before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've loved this video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. It's now time to get back to work and earn some money. Now, Spinbot will rewrite the entire article for you. It uses synonyms and rewrites it in your own words so that you can duplicate that unique and rewritten article and use the next 3 websites to get paid for it. Eatingwell.com will be the first website we will use. So you can submit your own articles at eatingwell.com, or you can write articles for this website and get paid for it. Now, instead of spending days producing those articles, you can simply use Google News, which has been purchased to create original and high-quality articles for which you will be paid up to $1 per word. So this is the first of 3 websites I have for you. On this website, you can get paid up to $1 per word, which means that if you get a 1,000-word article, you could make $1,000 just from that article. And it took less than 30 minutes to copy and paste. Now, how do you actually submit your articles so you can get paid here on this page? Simply scroll down until you find a section where you can find their contact information. Then copy their email address, paste it into your email, and send it to them with the subject line submission or article submission. or something along those lines. When you send that email, they will review it, and if they like it, they will ask for your payment information. If you want to be paid through PayPal, you will tell them your PayPal account number and email address. If you want to be paid by bank transfer, simply enter your bank information. The same goes for other payment methods. Because there are new articles in Google News every couple of hours, your options are endless. You can use those articles and rewrite them with Spinbot. Copy and paste them into a Word document or save them to your computer before submitting them to these websites. So again, eatingwell.com is the first site where you can submit your articles. You can also submit articles to sierraclub.org. Visit their website for more information. To submit your articles to this website, simply follow these instructions here and email them to this email address. So copy this and paste it in your email. Fill in your contact information and the subject line with a submission, and submit your article. With sierraclub.org, you will not only be able to submit health and fitness articles like you did with Eating Well, but you will also need to find something related to technology or science. So open up a science category and copy an article. Daily.jstor.org is the third and final website where you can submit your articles. You can read more about how it works by visiting their submission guidelines. This website will pay you a little less money, but it's still a good one to use because it allows you to earn some extra money while also maximizing your results. The best part about this website is that they will only ask you for up to 2,000 words and will pay you 31 cents per word. So while it's not as high as the previous two websites, 31 cents is still a good price. It's not bad to pay 31 cents per word on average because it adds up quickly. The more articles you submit to these websites, the more money you will be able to make. Of course, not every article would be accepted, but even if you only get one article per day, that's still hundreds if not thousands of dollars a day, just by copying and pasting. It was all completely free, and you don't have to wait. To summarize, go to Google News, select a category from the left-hand side, open an article, copy the text, go to Spinbot to make it unique, and submit it. You can repeat this process indefinitely and earn a substantial amount of money. And that's it! If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.